He's a good dude.
Mhm.
It's letting me in.
Alright.
I will fix my shader settings to how I like them later. I'll just disable them for now. Oh, I'm in creative.
Alright. You're downstairs.
This is really cute, actually.
Booga booga booga.
Hello.
How does my skin look?
Looks nice.
It is my profile picture.
I see.
If you have any questions, just ask as well. About the map, I mean.
Old hat.
Yeah. In the original version of this, somebody was supposed to collect each item of the detective uniform, and then they can become the detective.
I see.
That was in the past, though. This house was made in the very beginning, however, it was not made very good.
And then, yeah, it's the side. It's not that bad. Didn't there used to be a door here?
No, we're at.
In the back, I suppose. Oh, well drill schematic for big.
Yeah.
For seat 2, seat 3.
This would
Oh, no. I'll leave that alone. Oh, there's an anvil over here. Hey, the door's back.
Hmm?
Yeah, the store was gone. Alright. And then down
This
here.
is the basement, which was a pretty decent design I made. I do quite like doing textures.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'll follow you. You got.
Oh, this is just a. This is super flat.
It is indeed a super flat.
I see.
It was originally a test world to test out how I can build these houses, and then it just expand and she got bigger and bigger over time.
What's this over here?
Farmland.
Oh. My render distance is turned on a bit low.
Yeah, I know. It is because it is mine. This is a tractor.
I see.
A awful looking tractor.
Who's Lily?
Huh? Oh, my beloved.
I see. This is a lovely little work table.
Yeah.
Here, Rob. Oh,
Let's
there's a,
give us night
there's a,
vision.
there's a dirt block missing here. And then random.
Yeah, this place was originally flooded. It was supposed to look like a flooded tunnel, and then I decided to not have that. So I had to use create machines and sponges to get rid of the water.
Is this an artificial geode you made, or did
this
you?
this tunnel was mined out by a drill, and that was a actual geo.
Oh, okay. Man, this continues on forever.
Yeah, it goes to another location.
Oh, yeah, I forgot we could just fling ourselves down the hole.
This place was quite fun to make.
Yeah.
Where you going?
Oh, I was just gonna go back up and see what led at the end of the tunnel there.
Oh, nothing.
Oh, I missed a door. Or another tunnel, I think.
Now this place is. Do you guess what the name of this place is called?
Probably just mine, I don't know.
It is the mineshaft.
Yeah. It was scoria.
A natural generating block underground.
Ooh, yeah, this stuff. I fucking love this.
Yeah.
Really, really pretty. Wait, does this lead to another underground? No, it doesn't. Alright.
Bye bye.
Oh. Ow, ow, ow. Banging my head on everything as I go down.
Yeah.
Really like these great rail
Yeah.
stairs.
This is a macaw.
Nazarene.
Yeah.
Very pretty.
And this is added in.
Odd gun arm.
Arm is supposed to be ammo.
Oh, these are cute.
Yeah, it is the boss of. Oh, I just bit my teeth. It is the boss of the level, the main boss. This is this map was based on, or This map is gonna be based on a game I'm gonna make in the future. If you want later, I can try to find concept art for those guys I made for this place.
Sure. I'd like to see. Sounds really neat. It's another dead end.
Yep. Over here is not dead end.
Oh. I've been trapped.
Yep.
Ow. Oh. Can't see me. Oof. Keep bonking my head on the
There's
Right.
stone and lanterns.
Ooh.
This is the mini boss.
Story. Run.
Yeah.
Where's the next area that I need to get to?
Come to me. I'm right behind you. Wait out, I can see you. Wait out, stop, go forward. Turn around. Slowly turn around. Wait there, go forward. Yes, yes. Okay, keep going down to the tunnel.
Alright. At the split, do I go left or right? Or forward or left?
Choose one.
Yeah, we've been down here.
Alright. Then it is the other way.
I keep lag spiking.
Yeah. To be honest, I don't know how to get out of here from this way.
I think it's completely frozen.
Oh man.
Yeah, it crashed.
Alright. I'll believe
Alright.
there's still so much to check out as well.
The drop into the hole I really like because whenever I build my desert temple things, I usually just have a water pit at the bottom.
Yeah. But to be honest, you went the opposite way than most players would. That is
What is
actually
that?
a secret route. That was supposed to lead to this area sooner. Have you ever seen games that are like they have different paths they can go on. Like one path would take a while to get to, and the other path, the one you went down, would take less time, and you wouldn't have to go to other places. Like a new game plus.
I see. I'll try to join you, but I might need to restart my PC because I think I'm having some sort of memory issue or something. I usually don't turn my PC off after I get done. I just make it go to sleep. Aha. And oh, oh. I'm re-enabling my shaders. Hopefully this don't explode.
So many dead ends.
I get stuck on a lantern.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Huh.
Well, that was a ride.
Is the button to go up on the outside?
Yes. This is one of the most common machines I use. It's quite easy. I mainly use it for doors as well. Like, have you heard of the mod Security Craft?
No.
Oh man.
I suppose we could just break the floor, right? And just replace it? Or would that mess up the...
Well, I'm gonna be redoing the whole map eventually, so I don't mind.
Nope, there was a little nook that I could just crawl through. Alright.
Alright. Perfect. Cool air.
I'll break it after I'm done, but what I usually do for my little interiors usually, if you'll... There. We'll give you a little visual.
Ah.
You want
Oop.
to... I'd probably change this with a different color and have the floors be a lighter color.
Yeah.
And then if have this be the like dark accent color thing.
So what is this for the of like a better elevator design, or just showing off something you can do?
It's just how I usually build my little bases.
Alright.
I'll drop these here. This is actually really impressive with how much you've got going on here.
Yeah. And this is one of the map I stopped working on after like 3 months. I got another map you can play later if you want.
Sure.
I would need your email for it because I would have to send it to you because it's way too large for me to send in Discord.
That's fine. We could probably do this another time. This is also really cool how the grass grows to the tracks and stuff.
Grass grows. Wait a minute, let me TP me to you. Oh yeah. This is one of the machines that would because I did not had worldedit at the time. All the stuff that was taken out like grass and trees were all done by hand or by these machines.
Oh, I see, and that's how you cleared out the big areas to
Yeah, to
do the.
place grass. Or to not place grass too.
See.
If we're gonna have to redo the train station.
Oh, you're all the way down here.
Down here?
Yeah, down the tracks.
Wait, how far are you going?
I just kept going down the tracks.
Alright, let me TP to my TP to me to you. Alright. Wait, did you pass a large forest?
No.
Alright.
Is that the sound of your mouse?
Oh yeah, that is my mouse. I do quite click a lot. It's an old habit of mine.
Your mouse is loud. Oh,
Um,
these trucks end nowhere.
well, let's just do this. Let's kill
Oh,
all entities. And then just look more entities nice for start. Alright, come on.
where am I going?
Alright. Now we will come to a split in the road. This is the barn, you already saw that.
Little building here.
The shed.
Uh, where'd you go? Oh, forest.
This force was placed by hand and then by a schematic after.
Where's this?
What is what? Oh, that is a walk.
Let's see.
Or boulders, I should say. Okay, now we've reached a split in the road. Do we head that way? We already bent that is the way to the mines. That is the way to the sawmill and the lake, and down there is the incomplete town.
I'm good at this town.
Alright. But yeah, my other map I worked on for about, I think, like 2 years, and I'm still working on it. It's the biggest map I ever made.
Let's see. I just want to make an adventure map.
Huh?
I used to make little maps on the 360 version a lot, but now I usually just play Minecraft with my friends and stuff, so I never really.
Yeah.
You know.
I mean, making maps are quite fun. You're able to put your hard-earned time and your hard-earned freedom into a project that can be infinite.
Do you have an interest in Dungeons and Dragons?
I do indeed.
Do you play any?
I have not in a long, long while.
I DM 5th edition,
Ooh.
and I was in D&D club. I played Yu-Gi-Oh in middle school, Magic the Gathering in high school, and after I graduated, I learned how to play the Pokemon card game. I'm a nerd.
So my partner.
Yeah. I make music as my main hobby. I used to draw, but I haven't after
Ooh. What have
a
you?
while.
What kind of music can you make?
I sent some of my stuff in the server, but I can send you some of my stuff
Yeah,
right now,
that'd
real
be
quick.
nice.
I'll wait till I get to town first before I send you something.
Yeah, we are town.
This is a cute little vehicle.
It
I
was
really like this.
it was supposed to be a 1950 car. However, I did my best with not knowing how to build.
That's a billboard. That's fucking awesome. All right, hold on, let me send you something, I guess. Oh, I'm still streaming. It doesn't matter.
Maybe close that because it might be a bit laggy. Might be going a bit lag.
Oh yeah, you're right. That's probably why I was lagging.
Oh, I feel so much not laggier.
And those two furrows, those are themed after the same thing. And those.
Ooh. Gonna listen to after I get done with this. I listened a tiny bit to the first one though. It's quite nice piano. So why do you
Yeah,
make music?
it was something I've always wanted to do. I just never had like opportunities and stuff.
Well,
And
do you make
then
well you make music now?
because it sounds good
Yeah,
and because it's nice to have interesting hobbies that
yeah.
make you think and stuff.
So do you take commissions?
Not yet. I've had people offer, but never really can finish a project. It's hard for me. So I never take any up. It's because it's just a lot of work.
Well, well, music is always nice for a game to have.
Yeah. I thought about making a game.
Oh,
I have this left over from a card game that I was trying to make. Let me find it. This.
wait a minute. Wow, your cape is in. Your cape look cool.
I have a cape on.
Yeah, you got a cape that look like it is animated. It is the eyes of a creaking.
Oh yeah, that cape. I fucking love it. Oh, give me an elytra real quick so you can see what it looks like with that. Man, what am I looking for?
Wait, ain't your cape supposed to be on your back?
Yes,
Oh my
but
god.
if you have on an elytra, it
No,
should.
I mean your head was completely backwards.
Oh, I see.
Ooh. 4 eyes.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm also making a game as well. Gonna begin actual in-game stuff like next week or whenever I'm able to get my laptop fixed.
Man, I wish I still had some of the worlds that I had so I can show you them.
Oh no. This is the library slash not courthouse, but the place the mayor is. Wait, is it the courthouse? It ain't the courthouse. God.
I remember what that be called.
Town hall. It was a town hall slash library.
Let's see.
Ooh, Terraria.
Oh, yeah, I just made a cute little house. Whenever I was playing with my friend, so I thought I'd send it.
Over here is. This is why the city is uncompleted, because it was made at the very last moment before I stopped working on this place, and all the buildings are. Oh, wow, ugly. Ugly, partner. Over here were the tests for to see what an actual game would look like an actual game area, like the first building. Huh?
Where are you?
Let me just teleport you to me.
Alright.
TP Dragon Detect the Skunk. Right here. This building was gonna be the first area for my game, Detect the Skunk, The Mystery of the Bar, which was gonna be a small demo to test out puzzle systems. And over here in the other building is gonna be in this other building over here was gonna be the a light system, like how bright you want the game to be, what kind of settings, like a settings.
Oh. Here's this one.
And the building over here was gonna be for graphic.
Let's see.
Because there would be a setting to make it play in black and white. Like my character is. Let's kill.
I believe my shaders that I have on will let me do a grayscale.
Yeah.
I wanted.
Now time to check out the last area of this map. That being the lake and the sawmill.
Look, I got a text.
Can't forget the treehouse.
Sorry, I was being text.
Don't be sorry about that. Another one of the POV, not POV, locations. The treehouse, which will have a bigger importance in a future update.
There was an egg in there.
Huh?
There was an egg inside the chest.
Yeah, because this map was literally the one you saw earlier with the name. I made some secrets so you can find like Easter eggs, which is just eggs. Just a small campsite,
Yeah.
and follow me. I'm gonna go down the river. Oh yeah, guess how I did this river?
Another machine. And
Yes, another machine. Okay, here we are, the sawmill. Which is not the most done building. If you're gonna upgrade it later. Where did you go?
I was in the little area with food.
Oh, food?
Yeah, but now I'm at this large warehouse building, the sawmill.
Uh-huh. Alright. See you in there. Yep, pretty empty. You have to crouch to get out there. Something I really... Huh?
They keep texting me.
Oh, I can just teleport. I can just teleport you in. Ugh. Up here, partner. Up
Where?
behind you.
Yeah.
It's a small area I really liked.
Yeah, this is really fucking cute.
Yeah.
You
This
too swing.
mhm.
Yeah, that's fun.
This was originally a lava pool place. This became a small pond. Okay. Now time for the final location. Behind you, yeah, right there. Wait, do you see the thing behind you?
These little buildings.
Yeah.
Oh, where'd you? What? Oh,
I'm behind you.
okay.
Oh yeah, how much do you know about... Oh yeah, how much do you know of the crate mod?
Very little. I try not to touch it too much.
Why not?
I prefer magic over realism.
Yeah, okay, don't move, I'll be right back.
All right. I'm gonna respond to texts.
Okay, come into the sawmill.
What? That's a lot of nutback blood.
Yeah.
I used to make things with my friend Austin whenever we were growing up,
Yeah.
middle school, and we'd
Mhm.
made a couple of little YouTube videos together.
Oh.
It was cool.
What was the video about? Oh yeah, here you go. Take
Mostly,
this. And this as well.
did you put more knockback on it?
Yeah. Okay, now crouch. Now hit F5 or whatever it is.
Yeah.
Here's box. Alright, come on. Tell me if you need teleportation.
Oh my god.
I went a bit down the river. I see you. You're above me. And this is one of the machines that was core to create the lake in the river.
This is a pump in it.
Yeah.
Infinite water that you put in there, and that was
Mhm.
used to make.
Yeah. It took multiple of those. And here's the lake itself. Now guess how I
Cute
did
little
this.
bridge. There's a bit of weird water right here.
Yeah, this was dug out all by hand.
Oh, I see.
Mhm.
How far does it go?
Quite
Oh,
far.
that is so far.
I know. It took about 8 actual days to get done. I had to use drills to break millions of blocks. I just didn't know how to not do block drops, so I had to use so many vaults that can store items.
Let's see.
And over here is the final area, the shop. Small boats.
Longboats and stuff. Oh, I'm not opt. I was gonna set myself into create or survival.
Oh yeah, OP Dragoon. TP. I really like this design I made a while back. The seesaw was a pretty good design. And this is the end of the map. Ugh.
This is really cool.
Yeah. So do you have a word to show off?
I could probably see if I can load it up real quick.
All right.
And